I need those papers on my desk right away. Confound it! Where are those papers? Oh, my papers. Thank heavens. These are some good papers. Big presentation tomorrow. I've got a crucial update on our papers. I'm nervous. Dombrowski, get into my office right away and bring your papers. Colleen in accounting. I lust for her, but I mustn't act. Could put all of our papers in jeopardy. Sometimes I worry about my legacy. What papers will I leave behind? Let's discuss these papers at the water cooler. Oh, Colleen, I tried to protect